I have a new indoor-outdoor pesticide in concentration form. Now this one will give you instructions on how to mix it per gallon, depending on the insects that you're wanting to control. Like carpenter ants, it does say to do a 1/2 to 1 ounce per gallon of water. And then you could also do, for like regular treatment, a regular pest control, 0.33 to 1 fluid ounce per gallon. Now there is a little measuring side here that is a whole ounce. All right, so take the lid off, squeeze until it gets filled with that 1 ounce. Pour it in. That's 2. 3. And 4. And then all you got to do is mix in the water, and we are ready to spray with this. Now this spray will work for a lot of different pests. It will also work for mosquitoes, which is the main thing that I'm using it for. And then all we got to do is go around and spray it everywhere. And with me, I'm going into this heavily bushed stuff and just giving everything a really good spray. And I'm going to give a coating all the way around the property with this. But if you're looking to try to control some of your bugs, mosquitoes, carpenter ants, whatever it might be, this spray will handle a lot of different bugs.